Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has rolled out two new builds to the dev and beta channels late last week on Friday in my part of the world. So just a quick overview as to what's new in the dev and beta channels. Now, once again, the dev channel is where Microsoft is testing this year's annual feature update, Windows 11 26H2, and the beta channel is where Microsoft is still testing features for 25H2, which was last year's annual feature update. And the two builds are basically identical. And the reason for that is because 26H2 is going to be built on top of 25H2, as I've mentioned previously on the channel. Now, for the beta channel, we get build 26,220.7872, and that's with update KB5077231. And for the dev channel, we get build 26,300.7877 with update KB5077232. So having a look at some changes and improvements, Microsoft says, first of all, that when right-clicking on a .exe, .bat, or .cmd file, the context menu's open verb will now match the icon associated with the file's default app, in this case Office. So that's a small user interface tweak and adjustment. And then next up we have the device info card, where Microsoft says that previously released to the Windows Insider Program channels last year in June of 2025, the device info card on the settings homepage has been refined based on early learnings. So Microsoft got a bit of feedback and has made some tweaks and adjustments. Microsoft says that this update simplifies key device specifications and improves consistency across the end-to-the-end flow from the home card to the settings system about page, making information easier to scan and understand. This consumer experience, Microsoft says, is currently rolling out to insiders in the United States. So it's currently region specific. And Microsoft also says a version of the device info card intended for enterprise users on IT managed devices continues to be available. So just take note of that. And Microsoft mentions that the device information section now brings together additional system details such as graphics and storage information in a single location with easy copy-paste support to simplify sharing or support scenarios. So to some degree or the other, this has also started rolling out to the stable channel, as I've mentioned in previous videos, using a controlled rollout. And then just to go through some other changes and improvements according to the changelog, Microsoft says that it's improved the animations for mousing over app groups on the taskbar. It's also improved the reliability of showing app icons in the system tray when the taskbar was set to auto hide. And then just to mention the last two fixes and improvements, Microsoft says it's addressed an issue where all File Explorer open windows and tabs might unexpectedly jump to desktop or home. And then Microsoft says it's improved the reliability of sending larger files using nearby sharing. So guys, that's more or less what's new for the dev and beta channels for last week. And as mentioned, both builds basically identical mirror images of one another. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.